You fire up your modern diesel truck, but instead of that strong, reliable rumble, the engine feels noticeably weaker, your fuel economy is dropping, and a thick puff of black smoke shoots out of the exhaust pipe. If your code reader shows a P202F, your engine computer is complaining about the reductant or regeneration supply control circuit range and performance. Here on Mon Total, we know that modern diesel emission systems can be incredibly complicated, but understanding the basics makes troubleshooting a lot less intimidating. To meet strict federal emissions standards, your diesel engine uses a selective catalytic reduction system, which essentially injects diesel exhaust fluid into the hot exhaust stream to chemically neutralize harmful nitrogen oxides. But that fluid doesn't just flow by gravity, it relies on a specific reductant supply pump to build up high pressure and deliver the fluid exactly when the computer demands it. When your powertrain control module monitors the electrical circuit for this pump and detects that the voltage variation or the load percentage is completely outside the normal, expected parameters, it immediately triggers this fault code. If you ignore this, the computer might completely disable the emissions system and put your truck into a severe limp mode, essentially turning your heavy-duty hauler into a giant paperweight. The first thing you need to do is clear the code with your scanner and take a test drive to see if it immediately returns. If it does, you need to grab a digital volt-ohm meter and locate the supply pump, which is usually mounted near the diesel exhaust fluid tank. You want to test the internal resistance of the pump motor against the manufacturer's specifications. If the pump is internally shorted out or completely seized, drawing way too much electrical current, that is going to throw off the voltage readings instantly. If the pump tests fine, you have to carefully inspect the wiring harness for any rubbed or melted spots, and ensure the computer is actually sending the correct command voltage. A failing pump is the most common culprit here, but verifying the wiring first will save you from buying an expensive part you might not actually need.